What is it that really brings us together around the table, around the world? I dream of traveling for food and wine to destinations far and wide, and of sharing my discoveries. I seek the suppliers who provide local, authentic ingredients, the merchants and families who have plied their trade from generation to generation. Our world is smaller than it once was. Sustainable, small batch, and artisanal products are now at the fingertips of most. I want to know their histories, where they come from, and where they're going. People in every culture connect through food. When I'm in the kitchen, I want to honor the origin stories and experiences that go into each dish. Food is a central part of the human relationship. Eating, drinking, and entertaining nourishes our connection to family, friends, and community. At my table, I honor that relationship. I'm Hope Cohen, traveler, storyteller, chef.